Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I'd like to share with you the Cabin Fever collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection includes 6 beautiful papers, a sticker sheet, as well as an ephemera pack. Let's take a closer look at each of the pieces in this collection. The first piece in the Cabin Fever collection is the collection kit, which includes all of the papers in this collection as well as the Elements sticker sheet. This paper is called Game On. It includes cut-aparts that are 3 by 4, including great summer bucket lists, some journaling spots, great titles, games, sidewalk chalk, and more. The back side of this paper has a beautiful asphalt texture. This paper is called Please Stay Safe. The front side features trampolines, cornhole, croquet, beach balls, basketballs, soccer balls, lawn party banners, and more. I love the back of this paper that includes lots of words like wear a mask, cornhole tournament, family, cookout, hopscotch, sidewalk art, and so much more. I also love the Please Stay Safe in white in the lower right-hand corner. The Relax and Play paper features a light green background with these beautiful daisies on top. And the back of this paper features the diagonal stripe that goes with all of the different papers in this collection, including oranges, teals, yellows, blue, green, and a white speckled background. Perfect for all of the elements in this collection. I must admit I'm totally crushing over this next piece of paper called Memories Made. I love camera paper, I love cameras, I collect cameras, so this paper features lots of different cameras in the matching colors of everything in the collection. But what I really like about each of the cameras is that if you look inside of the lens, you'll see different landscapes inside of the lenses, including camping at night, watching the stars. The back of this paper is a beautiful teal texture, which reminds me a lot of a lawn chair. So, so pretty. This paper is called Go Play Outside. It has 6 4x6 cut-aparts, perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, including biking and hiking, titles, camping, drive-in movies, and even a lawn party. The back of this paper is this beautiful green plaid, which mixes and matches perfectly with all of the other papers in this collection. This paper is called Morning Till Night. The front side features the sunrise with great puffy clouds, and the back has this beautiful navy background with stars and a crescent moon. So, so pretty. This is the Element sticker sheet. It includes great icons, including cornhole, as well as a fire pit, lots of titles and words, a sleeping bag, a trampoline, jump ropes. I love the border at the bottom, as well as the different signs, the hiking boots, the masks. Of course, you've got to love the s'mores, as well as the tent. Lots of great icons to be able to add foam tape and include as 3D elements on a layout as well as a card. This is my favorite saying, find connection where the Wi-Fi is weakest. If you're like us, you've taken advantage of our time together as a family and explored greater connections, told lots of stories, played games. Hopefully you've grown the connections that are most important to you as well. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack. This pack includes 26 pieces of ephemera, including frames, sayings, tags, tickets, banners, and so much more. The ephemera pieces are perfect for adding to cards, layouts, as well as pocket page scrapbooks. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching.